Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today we are going to be upgrading the AK4D and we're going to try to get to it level 20 on this weapon. And then after that, well, while we're doing that, we're going to try to get to level 100. So let's play some Breakthrough. So we're going to be trying to get to level 100 and leveling up this weapon to 20. So let's hope this goes well. And let's go. Right, so guys, if in this map, if you go all the way back here, crouch here,
Attack support needed on the marked objective.
so that was good. Let's go in here. And so if I crouch here, guy there, let's kill him. Okay, that was hard. I'm not hurt. Oh, right, so far so good, and A is nearly been captured. Let's try put that on. Yeah, that will be good. Short and then fast. Okay, so far we can just go over here. So if we go down here, it's dead. It's dead. was okay. Everybody needs to push on to A. If we do that, that would be nice. So that was a weird kill. Oh. Alright. So now, if we change our scope to so I'm using that scope because it's really quite cool. But now if we use this scope, I want to see if it's accurate or whatever, if you're not wrong. Right, I'm going to change that after when we die.
I'm fucking hit!
Alright, let's change that scope to that again. No, you guys, there's that one. It's just so good and easy to use. Yeah, so that's the loadout I'm using at the minute. Alright, we've captured A. So now the sector's taken. And it counts for people. Thank you. This guy needs to be murdered because if he likes rezzing teammates, then we should be murdered.
New enemy sector is your target. Move in and secure.
I need a fucking medic!
So that MVO weapon is a bit insane. It's a bit horrible to try and kill that weapon. So we're gonna upgrade that, I think. So if we change to no scope, change to that, change to that. So far that's quite cool.
Bravo has been neutralized.
So we can go up here. And we'll go up these stairs because I want to try kill one guy.
We've neutralized Alpha.
So if he's whereabouts is he? Oh, he's disappeared. Well, that weapon's actually kind of insane.
Attack successful. We've taken the enemy sector. Take out any remaining hostiles.
Right, so that guy's dead. He's dead.
Grab what you can!
Okay, he's been down. Ooh, we'll look up that scope because I like that scope and it's quite cool. It's probably the only scope I have that I want to use. So we'll have that scope on.
We need attack support on the marked objective.
So if we... Oh, this is the spot. Alright, so we're just going to camp here for a bit.
Need a medic!
Okay, we won't camp here for a bit because we're dead. So if we spawn on MK Bibbers, it doesn't matter. So if we go through here and then here, we'll get to A.
Objective Alpha has been
He's
neutralized.
dead. There's a tank there, so we're gonna dive. Kill him.
Medic!
Alright, so now we're gonna upgrade this weapon to that. Then the red laser. Now that is better. So now we've got quite a better loadout on this weapon.
Victory. Maintain attack on all fronts. Objective marked. We need your support in the attack.
I'm here! Fuck! I need a medic!
Alright, we're losing A. We need more people on A.
I got you!
Alright, what was that guy thinking? If you're getting shot at, what do you think?
Need a medic!
I need a res from somebody. People need to get tough and go down here. What are they doing? Right, now we've lost that.
Grab what you can!
The enemy has taken objective Bravo.
Need a fucking medic!
So there's a guy in there. Let's mark that because then people will know there's people in there.
Bring out! I'm fucking hit!
Well, that didn't go well, so I'm gonna spawn on his beacon.
Right. We now hold Alpha. Be advised, Alpha is under attack.
Instead, so if we come down here now,
Okay, we now hold Alpha.
yeah, that was a nice kill. He's dead.
Hang on!
Be advised, I've spotted an enemy
So I died by him somehow because he wasn't there last time. So that's a bit weird. Okay. Let's go for B. Spawn on the tank. He's the only one who can spawn on.
Taking objective Alpha.
Take what you
Let's
can
go down
carry!
here and defeat that player instead.
Move to attack the marked objective.
So now if we camp up here, put a nice big one down here, a nice supply pouch,
Be advised,
this
hostiles
should
now
be
hold
fine.
objective Alpha.
Break that so we can stand and
Be
see
advised,
here.
troops straight
Yeah.
down to 50%.
So now we can have a nice
Hostiles
sea.
secured Alpha.
So if now I can move here, through here, around here, alright, so we die by that weapon. Alright, we need to go for A. So if we spawn on the tank, come on. Right, so now we're gonna spawn on the tank. I don't know why it said critical. So it's weird. We've got the controls as a tank on PlayStation. Because
We've lost objective Bravo. Objective Bravo captured by hostiles. Be advised, hostiles have secured Alpha.
Need a medic!
alright, so that did not go well. Now if we spawn on this guy because he's next to A.
Advised, limited reinforcements left.
Target down! Grenade!
We are targeting objective Bravo.
I'm fucking hit! Heads down! I got you!
So that didn't go well. We spawn on this guy.
The enemy has secured Bravo.
That was a nice effort. No,
Medic!
we die now. Oh, we need that on. So we've got 2 scopes. That's nice. That's nice. So we'll put that on. Got a magazine. Got fast magazine. That's nice. We've got new camo. That's really nice camo.
Alright, Bravo has been secured.
Medic!
So this is not going well.
We need to rally defense on the marked objective.
So if we go up here and down here. So that did not go well. It went well through all the things, all the sectors, except for this one. So we got 48 kills and 18 deaths. Didn't get to level 91, which was sad. Alright, that's gonna have to have the end of this video. So I hope you have a nice day and see you.